Hi everybody, welcome to Math 104 Pre-Calculus at Westfield State University. My name is Phil Diorsi and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. So if you see right in front of us, you'll notice that I'm on the syllabus page, and this is on Play-Doh, which is what we're going to use to organize our course. And in order to get to this page, what you want to do on the left sidebar over here is you want to click on Syllabus, and it will bring you right to this page. Now, if you click on this link right here called syllabus, you can see that our syllabus will come up. So there's a description of our course, how things are going to be run, and different requirements, and how we're graded. So I'll let you read through this and let me know if you have any questions about it. So some other things that are on our sidebar. If you would need help with Play-Doh or anything like that, if you click on this Play-Doh help and resources, there's all sorts of resources up here, and you can submit help tickets to CIT at Westfield State, and they can help you with any technical details. As we're moving through the course, you might want to ask questions to your peers or to me. So what you can do is, if you click on discussion board, you can click over here into course discussion, and then create any thread that you'd like. So if you create a thread, you can post a question. I might answer it, some other students might answer it. And so you can use this to talk to each other through the course. As far as books go, you won't have to buy any books for this course. So all of the books are posted right here. The Stitz-Ziegler Precalculus is mostly a traditional pre-calculus text, and so if you are interested in sort of reading descriptions of different things or having a lot of extra practice problems, the Stitz-Ziegler book is a great resource. So every section has probably 100 questions, all of the solutions posted in this book, so I think it's a great resource. And the guided activities for pre-calculus are activities that I wrote specifically for this course, and it's primarily what we'll do as we work through the course for different weeks. So both of these are free, and they're posted here for you. All right, so our online homework system is called WebWork. So this is how we're going to take our exams and how we're going to do all of our weekly homework. So if you click on WebWork, what you'll notice is it brings you right to this page. And what you want to do is you want to log in using your Westfield State username. So it's usually sort of first initial, last name, right? So the P Diorsi, this is me, right? And when you log in, you'll see a page that looks something like this. And so all of our different sections for homework, they'll open up each week, and then the exams will open up. And so we'll do all of our homework and all of our exams on this website called WebWork. So what you should do is log in, and if you have trouble logging in, let me know so I can fix it. So if we go back, so WebWork's our online homework system. So in calculus, in pre-calculus, students often have access to a graphing calculator, and this one right here is called Desmos. So if you click on Desmos, it'll bring you to desmos.com, and you click Start Graphing. And so this is a free online graphing calculator that we'll make extensive use of throughout the course. So you don't need to go out and purchase any calculators. Again, this one is free for you to use. And the way it works is you type equations over here on the left, and then everything will be graphed over here on the right. So we'll be able to use this at all times throughout the course. So finally, we don't have in-class time, but I've recorded a series of videos. So if you click on video playlist, it will open up for us in YouTube. And over here on the left sidebar, we have all of our different sections. So all the videos for chapter 1 start with a 1. All the videos for chapters 2 start with a 2, so forth and so on. So all of these videos, there's 50 videos here that we'll use throughout the course. Okay, so what will happen each week, at the beginning of each week, there'll be a new link over here on the left sidebar. So to start for week 1, what I want you to do is you just click on week 1, and these are all of the different activities that you'll be expected to do by the end of week 1. So right here, what you'll want to do is, you're already watching the introduction video right now. So we talked about logging into WebWork and then trying out Desmos. So these will be course prep stuff, and then these will be all your assignments for the week. So when I say work through the guided activities for chapter 1, so what I want you to do is you click down here on guided activity functions. So when you click on this, it will bring up the chapter from my book, and these are guided activities. So as you go through, there's a series of questions where you want to check in on these different things, try to work through all the different exercises and answer the questions, and then discuss with your classmates. So you can, if you have questions about these, if you're not sure if the answers are right, post them in the discussion forum, and then we'll all talk about them there. Right, so the first thing you'll do is work through these, and then watch the videos. If you have any questions, post them in the discussion forum. And then once you have done that, right, so you've watched the videos and you've worked through the activities, then go online and complete the WebWork homework. So for each chapter, there'll be 20 WebWork homework questions. Okay, so once you do that for chapter 1, then you'll work through chapter 2, do the same thing, and then you're going to start a Desmos project. So we're going to create some art in Desmos in the graphing calculator, and so there's some explanation of that down here. Right, so if you click on all these different links, there'll all be different activities to work through for week 1, and then once week 2 comes up, we'll have the same thing. Right, so week 2, we'll work through approximately 2 chapters per week, and then every other week we'll have our exam for our 3 exams for the course. All right, so if you have any questions, email me or post questions in here in the discussion forum for either myself to answer or for other students to answer. And I hope you have a great course.